Hey, and welcome to Alpha One this Monday morning. I'm now going to trade some binary option. I think I will just do one big trade. I did lose a little on my session today because we basically got so few trading opportunities. I will now go through everything super fast and let's see if we can make some money. You can use this broker also. Just use the link you see up here right now and you can join this broker today. Also below the video you find a promo code and the link for this broker also. You can get 200% on your first deposit. And help me out. If you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, and also if any questions put them below the video. Now looks like we are getting very close to a trade. I will do a $1,000 trade, so let's see if we can get a winner here now. So if we come down to this green line, I will push the up button. If not, we will just continue if we find something better. For now, he's holding a little back. That was the problem we had with the session today. We got very few trading opportunities. And when you get few trading opportunities, it's not always you manage to earn profit. We need at least like 10 trades to get a good average. Because we can lose one trade and then that's the problem we have. Let me see if we can find something good here now. I do see something in the top here, so let's mark it super fast so we understand what I'm looking for. I will do a sell trade there because we see that he's starting to build a good line there. We change it to 30 seconds, so if we come up to this line, I will push down. And then we are making $1,000, so we can't complain with that. So now let's see. Little more. I'm in. And he's breaking up. And I did push wrong 2 times, so that is not good. So once again the line got broken. We go 2 times up to see if we can average this somehow. So losing is not so big. Let's see. Now we need to wait for these 2 to close. Now let's see. And we won these 2, then it's not too bad. Now let's see. Here I want to go down because we have another support area. Now let's see how that turns out. He broke that also, then we go 2 times up. Let me see. Okay, he chose to go down. We did hedge. Little confusing maybe, but let's see. We got the win down. And we're going to lose the one up. Yeah, completely okay. As you can see, we are hedging. Now let's see if we can take an up trade here now. Now let's see. And now we just need to wait and see how this plays out. We need to wait 10 seconds. I do a down trade now because I see he break down. No, he will go up. Let's see. Okay. He's really playing with us here now. Now let's see if we get that one. We got that one, and let's see if we want to go up also. and we got that one. Now let's see, I think we did turn profit. Now we need to put it to the side, do the good old calculations for today, as we did have a bad session. So let's calculate this now. We have 200, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,800, 2,800, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,800 total traded today, minus 9,800. Now let's add the pluses. 1,920 plus 1,920 plus 1,920. Then we have done these three. Now we add these two here. 1,920 plus 1,920. So we are still $200 in minus. Okay, that means we need one more trade in before we can be happy. So we see we are building a new line here now. So let's do that one here. Let's turn that one green, and if you come down there, we will go in again. Let's see if we can get that one in down there. And do you want to go down there? If we win one more trade, we are turning profit for the day. So that's it. And sorry for the coughing, I'm not 100% yet. And we go in there. Quite good entry. And we will go down also. I will take a better down trade if we can get one more in. There. Let's wait and see. I'll take one more there. And one more there. Now let's see. Okay. Now looks like he wants to play with us here now. We won this one. Let's take a $5,000 trade up. I am going to turn profit today. That's why I'm trading hard. Now let's see. What's happening now? I'm not sure. I'm confused. Okay, let's do one more 5,000 here. They're moving all over the place. And there. Okay, I think now we did turn profit at least. So we lost 10,000. So let's do that. We won this one, so 920 first, plus 920. Then we take the 5,000 trades, 5 minus 25,000 plus 9,600 plus 9,600 plus 9,600. So we made a sweet profit of 4,520. Yes, this did looks a little risky, but I did basically trade the basic lines. I did go in a little more times than I wanted, but we were playing a little more. If we take 40,000, and if you take 40,000 now, and we take 5% of the balance, that's 2,000. So we are playing with a little too much of the balance, I will say. We should not play with more than 1,500. So 5,000 is a little too big for my account also. This was a little too risky, but I just refused to lose money and I wanted to have a big win. So there we did turn it around. Do not do what I did now. I will admit was a little emotions coming in, but we did turn it around to profit. So what can I say? So what can I call this video? Crazy trading or something like that. Don't copy this. But yes, keep it to real. Just keep to the rules. We make money every single day. Don't do what I do. This was just me going crazy with my emotions again. Yes, I do get emotions, but I keep my emotions in check in my sessions, because when I trade together with you all, I don't want you to do the same. So then I keep to just $100 trades and I keep it safe. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope you did enjoy me going a little crazy here. Have an amazing day again.